से बात करेंगे आप लोगों से स्टॉक मार्केट लाइव सेंसेक्स निफ्टी प्लेट निफ्टी आईटी रेल्स 2% एंड इन्फोस HCL Tech gain CSL raise 5%. Sensex Today stock market live updates. Tuesday, February 17, Infosys Tech, HCL Tech, and TCS were among the top gainers, taking the Nifty IT index higher by over 2%. Stock Mahindra Live's update SML Mahindra zooms 48% thus far in February, a new high here. Why? In stock market live updates, share price of SML Mahindra, formerly SML Infosys Limited, hit a new high of 5,110, soaring 5% on BSE in Tuesday in intraday trade in an otherwise substitute market in the past two trading days. The stock price of the commercial visual company has risen 9%. Stock market live updates on National Plans IPO by 2028 if stake talk which Reliance fell an executive stock market live updates. Indian Ceylon sales neutral remain in talks with the Reliance over a potential stake sales, but discussions have slowed down. Two sides and agree on a deal structure, so founder CK Komarel and said on the interview. Stock market live updates. IT stock are leading the market recovery. Stock market live updates. IT stock are leading the market recovery as the information technology counter witness a rebound trade, allowing future stock specific moves. And the Nifty IT index rose up over 2%. Intraday trade on Tuesday led by the gains on Infosys Conference President System HCL Tech and Ops. Stock market live updates. Stock market live updates and Infosys share price rails over 2% partnership with the stock market live updates. Infosys share price was in focus on Tuesday. The IT stock trading here on a high level up 2.7%. BSE Infosys share price hit an intraday high of 1,406.8 per share after company announced it is the collaboration is the announced to unlock AI value across complex regulated industry. On stock market update, JSW Infrastructure Cater Farm to Mal fundraisers of the JSW Infra Board will meet on February 2026 to consider a proposal to raise funds through insurance of equity shares of company through one or more public or private placement offering including intraday earlier by way to qualified